Trying out Banh Mi's newest sandwich, the Saigon Classic. Natikman nyo na ba to? Ako kasi hindi pa eh. Sana lang may matira sa akin, no? Bago ang lahat, may I just point out, in fairness sa newspaper aesthetic ng sandwich wrapper. Galing nyo dyan. Compared sa original, almost same yung ibang ingredients ng Saigon Classic. Except for the meat. Instead of roasted pork and Vietnamese ham, fish cake and beef sausage with head cheese ang meron sa Saigon. Which makes it the sweeter, lighter cousin of the original classic banh mi. Parehong nakakabusog at parehong nakakagana yung crunchy texture ng bread. It just boils down to personal preference. But the Saigon Classic is definitely a must-try kung fan na kayo ng banh mi. At dahil hanggang pangarap pa lang ang aming Vietnam trip, nilubos na namin yung banh mi experience with Vietnamese pho and iced coffee. Kahit delivery, mainit-init pa nung dumating yung beef balls pho. At buti nakita namin agad yung lime sa loob. Very satisfying on its own, pero masaya din siyang isabay sa sandwich. We wouldn't normally drink iced coffee with soup, but we'll make an exception because it just works. Hanapin nyo na ang pinakamalapit na banh mi branch sa inyo